Get a pen and paper. Pause the video and resume after, responding to questions through written or digital notes. What does a plumber do? What does it take to be a plumber? Do you have the skills to be a plumber? Would you like to be a plumber? Do you think you should be a plumber? To choose a career, what should you consider? If you are in a group setting, discuss and summarize your discussion. If you are not, compare your answers with the following video. What does a plumber do? Let's take a look. They interact with customers. They perform installation. They perform maintenance. They perform pipe fitting. They perform drain cleaning. They perform repairs. They provide emergency response services. What does it take to be a plumber? It takes physical fitness, technical skills, experience, technical aptitude, flexibility, problem-solving skills, communication skills, safety awareness, training and apprenticeship. Do you have the skills to be a plumber? Would you like to be a plumber? Do you think you should be a plumber? To choose a career, consider the following: proficiency or skills, passion or what you like, purpose or your calling. Consider what you give and what you get with a certain career. Think about it. Pause the video. Write the lessons you have learned from the video. Resume the video. Share your notes with others where applicable. Zoom, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp.